Wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Yeah, fine. Thank you too. Today, learn in English. More facts about lawyer, the English system. Presentation. Remember group. Member group. Of the group 3, Brian, Komala, and Melati. Yeah. Discuss the topic more fact about lawyer in the English system. Okay. Would you sleep, please?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We would like a presentation more fact about lawyers in the English system. Member of the group 3, Brian Geraldi Sitorus, Komala Dewi Siahaan, Melati Puspamadina. Legal profession is profession and legal professional study, develop and apply law to usually there is equipment for someone choosing a career in law to first option a law degree or someone other form of legal education. Some of the jobs legal professions. A. Lawyer is profession that offers legal service inside and outside the court. The legal service provided can be in the form of legal consultation, legal assistance, legal consultation, legal assistance, exercising power, representing a company, defending or other legal action for the benefit of the client. The client can be individualist, legal entities, or other institution. B. Attorney is a state institution that exercises state power, a specialist in the field of prosecution. C. Barrister, present and argue the cases in court. Sociologists do not represent people in court, expect in magister courts. Next, Bang Gerald.
Okay. D. Solicitors, lawyers who usually provide legal defense and produce legal documents. E. Judge, handle more complicated case and serve in the crown court, in which the term judge who will decide by negotiation whether guilty or not. If F. Magister, handle case of minor violation and usually serve in the magistrate court. The magistrate is not required to have a valid certificate as a judge, and usually only a group of law enforcers who are trained in a noun magistrate whose name is judge. G. Courtroom drama, familiar from 1,000 TV and real life. Next. Next.
Bentar, Mem, agak susah dipencetnya.
Okay. Are you problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, solid kata.
Sebentar ya, Mem. Sebentar.
Ya, judge, magistrate, custom drama.
Okay.
Attorney, lawyer, yes.
Fact of jobs legal profession. A. Lawyer. Analyzing and describing legal issue, explaining the rules in law, systematic legal arrangement,
Legal.
legal, legal,
Yes.
legal.
Bacanya bukan legal. Legal.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Legal arrangement, analyzing and identifying
Amazing.
problems, interpreting and or enforcing current laws and regulation, or drafting new rules of situation where no law and regulation have yet been made, define, create, and use legal concepts. B. Attorney. The prosecutor office and as one of the law enforcement agencies in general as has the duties and
Gratis.
and authorities regulate in Article 30 of the number 16 of 2004 concerning the Indonesian Attorney General Office, whose does and the function carry out state power in the prosecution.
Position. Procession.
Procession. Okay. C. Barrister. The Indonesian Criminal Code hereinafter refers to as the Criminal Code regulates the subject of force defense. Article 49, paragraph 1 of the Criminal Code states, who after is complete to act in defense, because there is an attack or threat of attack at the time which against the law, against himself or others, against the honor of decency, or air bar health, or own property, or that of others shall not be punished. Next.
Okay, next. Error. Are you problem in the slide?
Yes, agak susah banget di next.
Oke. Kalau di next agak susah, berarti Anda back to the first. Ya, keluar screen, baru kita mulai lagi. Nanti nggak usah ada gambar cangkir full. Biasa aja. Ya. Biasanya seperti itu. Nah, trouble di screen. Nah, udah begitu saja. Udah cukup. Nggak usah dibesarkan gitu ya. Yang ada gambar cangkir yang nggak perlu. Oke. Next. So, ini enough.
Malah.
Okay.
Ya.
The solicitors, Articles 36 and 37 of the law basic provision of judicial power. There is the term legal advisor, who is obliged to provide helpful facility the settlement of cases by upholding Pancasila, the law and justice. A. Judge is the official presiding over trial. F. Magistrate handle case of minor violences as usually
Trouble. Ya, trouble internet ya kali ya.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke.
Serve. Saya lanjut lagi. Serve in the magister court. The magistrate is not required to hold a valid certificate as a judge, and usually only a group of law enforcers who are trained in a unknown magistrate whose name is judge. G. Courtroom drama, familiar from 1,000 TV and real life. Next slide. Melati. Okay. Fundamental law. Civil law, also termed Roman law, was originally administered in the Roman Empire and codified under Justinian in the 6th century. It includes the law of person, the family, inheritance, property, toils, and just enrichment and contracts and remedies, by which interests falling within these categories as universal protected. Technically, civil law includes law of person, natural and legal, the family, interests, property, and obligations. Civil law is fundamental law. It is studied first, and subsequent study is built on it. No society is able to live in an orderly way without an aggregate of rules governing the relations among
Mungkin Komala ini trouble signalnya ya. Oke, diganti yang lain. Dibantu.
the person who are charged with enforcing their observation is a typically traditional apport. Next slide, Melati. The legal norm is a general notion. It is not addressed to specific individual, but to a model fake situation. One difficulty with the model situation is the occasionally the application to the abstract norm to the concrete case give place to consequences that offend the sense of justice. Equity is the power to fair application of the norm. It's the justice of the current individual. Thank you.
Okay, Komala, yeah, thank you. Today presentation, good job. And okay, everyone. The topic